Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 16. In question number 16 it has been said that if x, y and z are real numbers such that 4x plus 2y plus z is equal to 31, 2x plus 4y minus z is equal to 19, then the value of 9x plus 7y plus z is equal to, first option A, cannot be computed from the given information. Option B equals 281 by 3. Option C equals 182 by 3. Option D equals 218 by 3. So now as you can see that there are three variables involved over here, and three variables dependent given over here, but there are only two equations given. So normally we know that to find out the value of to solve a system of equations, the number of variables should be equal to the number of variables should be equal to number of equations for solvability, for solution this is the option, and here it is not satisfied. But if one term is given in terms of other relations, but when we'll solve the equation you will find out that this is not the case over here. Here it can be solved. So what we'll be doing is that we have been given the equations 4x plus twice y plus z is equal to 31. This is equation 1, and twice of x plus 4 of y minus of z is equal to 19. This is option 2. So now if we add up equation 1 plus equation 2, then this will give us 6x plus 6y is equal to 50, and that will imply that x plus y is equal to 25 by 3, and then we can write y in terms of x as 25 by 3 minus of x. This is y. We have found out y. Now what we'll do, we'll try to eliminate y and find out z in terms of x. So what we'll do is that we'll multiply equation 1 twice and subtract the second equation from the first equation. So that will imply that 8x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 62, and this will be equal to twice of x plus 4 of y minus z is equal to 19. So upon subtraction this will give us 6 of x plus 3 of z will be equal to 43, and this will give us that z is equal to 43 by 3 minus twice of x. So now the values of x and y will put it in this equation. So therefore 9x plus 7y plus z will be equal to 9 of x, 7y will be equal to 7 into 25 by 3 minus 7x, and z is equal to 43 by 3 minus of twice x. So we see 9x, 7x and twice x. So these all cancel out, and ultimately will be remaining with 175 plus 43 by 3, and that will be equal to 218 by 3, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 16 from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.